In this video we will show you how to create installation medium to a USB drive. Rufus and Balena are the recommended tools for this purpose. You can download Balena for free at balena.io. Choose the version for your operating system, and download it. After installation, open Balena and select the option Flash Image from File. Please select the image that you previously downloaded from our website. Under the Select Target option, select the USB stick. Please note that it must have a minimum capacity of 8 GB. Start the creation by clicking on the Flash button. After the creation is completed, use the Safely Remove function of your OS to eject the USB stick. You can now use it as an installation medium on your server.